Hello beautiful people, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm filming a quick video just sharing with you guys my favorite pink blushes. If you guys have watched my videos, then you know I love pink blushes. If you guys have never seen any of my videos, I'm letting you know I love a good pink blush. So I just want to share with you my thoughts on several of the pink blushes that I have, and just to share with you my favorites, because I have more than what I'm showing you, but these are the ones that I reach for. So if you guys love a good blush, whether it be pink or anything, this video is for you, because not only will I be discussing the colors, but I'll also be telling you about the formulas. So you may or may not love a pink blush, but you may love blushes, and I'm gonna tell you whose formula is the best. So when I tell you that these are my favorite pink blushes, let me tell you what makes them my favorite. It is the pigmentation of the shadows, how smooth they are on the skin, how smooth they go on, how some of them are like one stroke colors where you don't need a lot, and they just look gorgeous on the skin. They don't accentuate any of the texture that you may have in your cheek area, and I just love them all. If I forget to say that about any of them, that is the reason why I love them. So please stay tuned for the video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, I would love it if you would do so. Once you get to the end of the video, which I know that you will, please give the video a thumbs up and leave me a comment and let me know your thoughts on this video. I'm gonna get started because I have the blushes right in front of me. I'm not gonna do them in any particular order, but I am gonna just share with you my thoughts on these blushes. The first blush that I'm gonna pull out is this Juvia's Place Blushed Rouge Volume 4. This is a gorgeous pink duo. Both color pinks are beautiful on the skin. They look good by themselves. They look good together. They are wonderful, wonderful pink blushes. Let me swatch them and just show you. This is the first blush. I'm gonna do the bottom color first, which is that pink. It's gorgeous. Then I'm going to do the top color, which is a hot pink, which is still gorgeous. It just looks beautiful on the skin. They both really look gorgeous. This is one of my favorite formulas. It's long lasting. It goes on the skin very smooth. It's very pigmented. I love it. Like, you can't go wrong with this blush. If you don't have it, get it. If you do have it, then I'm sure that you love it. When this blush first came out, you couldn't get your hands on it because it was sold out all the time. Now, I think they have them in stock, and if you want to get it and you forgot about it, I'm here to remind you, that's a blush to have. The Juvia's Place Blush Rouge Volume 4. All of the blushes are nice. All of the blush duos that Juvia has, the colors are gorgeous, but this pink one, everything. I'm going to show you guys a blush just so you'll know that I love pink blushes for years. This is the Sleek Makeup Blush. This was called Flamingo. This was number 937. Sleek is not even in business anymore, but this was one of my favorite blushes. It's a gorgeous color, and that's what I was wearing back in the day. You talking about a pink? Now that's a pink. The company is not in business anymore. Like, it was bought out by another company, and that blush, I have it and I love it. I have a few of their blushes, and I have so many blushes that this one is one that I'm going to use for special occasions because I really do like the formulation and the color of that blush. I have two blushes by Pat McGrath, right? This one is the Divine Blush Duo in the color Cosmic Coral. I like Pat McGrath's blushes, and I love this color. I didn't try the new cream ones or the stick ones yet, but eventually I'll get around to it. So this one has two colors in the pan, but the color pink is so gorgeous. Do you see that? And all of these pinks, now I already swatched 4 of them, and although some of them are similar, they're not the same. I love all of them. Like, you could never have too many shades of pink blush because the undertones are different. Like, a lot of them are not the same. Okay, then this one is called the Pat McGrath Cherish Blush. This one is such a pretty kind of pale pink, but it's very pretty on the skin. And again, do you see that? This one is more of a, I I don't know. This one is more of a cool pink. This one is more of a warm pink. This is more cool. This one is cool. This is warm. But yeah, look at the difference. Now, we already swatched 5 of them, and all of the colors are different. Now, I know you don't need 5, 10. 2 pink blushes is good. 1 light pink, 1 dark pink. But because I try makeup and I like to share it with you guys, you get to see my collection. And I love a good pink blush. I just love a good pink blush. Now I have the Haus Labs blushes. Pat McGrath formula is nice. It's nothing spectacular about it. It looks nice on the skin. It doesn't give you any texture or anything like that. But this Haus Labs blush, first of all, this color right here, Hibiscus Haze, when I saw it, I was like, I'm not getting that. Like, that's not even really a pink. It's more like a... did I ever tell you guys I'm colorblind? Yeah, so I am. But this is more like a muted, a very muted, understated pink. I was like, I don't want that. So I went into the store and I tried it on and I fell in love. I didn't realize that it would look this gorgeous on the skin. It's got like a purpley undertone. It's very similar to this one, but this one is a little more cool and like bluish. But this is beautiful and it looks gorgeous on the skin. I was like, I gotta have this. I didn't think I wanted that one. And then I went into the store. I think it depends on like your mood when you buy makeup, because I went into Sephora the other day. I was looking for the new color, but they didn't have it. But they did have the peach color, which I don't have. That's the only one of her blushes and the new one that I don't have. I was like, wait a minute. I might need that. It was looking so good. Like, it looked so good on my skin. And I don't even think I had any makeup on that day. So I was like, wow, it really looks nice. Okay, so anyway, this one is one of my favorites. This is Haus Labs also, but this one is called Dragon Fruit Daze. And it is gorgeous. Her formula is everything. Her formula is a gel powder formula. And it's so pigmented and it's so smooth. It's just gorgeous on the skin. And like I said, they all look similar, but they're different. This one and the top one are the closest to each other, but other than that, like, they're very, very beautiful and different. And I love them all. Okay, and I have 2 more and then our video is done. I told you this was gonna be a very quick video. I have this Dior Backstage Rosy Glow Blush. I had it, this was the first one that came out. It was sold out for months. And I was like, oh, I gotta have it, I gotta have it. So when I finally got it, I was like, okay. And it's a nice blush. It really is very nice. This is the old packaging. They have new packaging now and a new formula. This one is so pretty. Another cool, like, bluish tone pink. I'm just gonna show you. It has to be built up. Yes, it does. But it does show up on the skin eventually. It's got like a purpley pink kind of undertone. But I do like it. And it is gorgeous. So, will I pick up the new pink? I've been to the store and I tried it. The formula is definitely different than this original one. It's more of a, it has more of a creamy kind of texture. And I don't think it's from different people swatching it, because I went to different stores to see if I felt the same way about the actual blush. Yeah, they all felt sort of putty-ish. And I was like, well, I don't know why it feels like that, but it was like kind of putty-like. So yeah, these are gorgeous. These are the 2 from Juvia's place. This one is the Sleek Blush. I think this 2 of Pat McGrath, Haus Labs, Dior. And now the piece of resistance, okay? Because this blush right here, this blush palette is freaking gorgeous. If I had to have any of these blushes, let me swatch it first. Okay, because I just want to show you what it is. This is the Onesize Cheek Clapper Blush Trio. Thirsty is the top color, which is a cream. Yes Sir is the middle color, which is a powder. And then Kisses Please is like a, what do they call it? Let me see. It's like a highlighter, but it's a blush. It's gorgeous. When I say gorgeous, like I just love them all. I'm gonna swatch the cream for you first, because you can wear these all three together, or just look at the pigmentation on that. Okay, so that is the cream. Look how pretty and Barbie-like that is. Like, if you want to look like a Barbie, that's Barbie right there. That is definitely Barbie pink. Then the middle color, let me close that, which is a powder, but it's very pigmented. Look at that. I mean, like I said, now we've swatched all of these colors of pink and none of them are exactly the same. Isn't that amazing how there's so many different shades of pink, and these blushes are beautiful for most skin tones. I'm gonna just do this last shimmery one for you. It's so smooth and so buttery, and that is gorgeous. That is gorgeous. My favorite pink blushes, and they are good for any skin tone. But I'm showing you how good they look on a darker skin tone. So just know that you ladies that are afraid of a pink blush don't have to be, because there are so many different shades of pink. There's one out there for you. I just happen to wear all of them. Okay, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this short video. I would love for you to let me know your thoughts on these pink blushes. Are you a pink blush girl? If not, what is your blush color that you love? All of these blushes are gorgeous, and I know that they're all pretty high priced, other than the Juvia's Place. That was the only one. Oh, and the Sleek, which they don't make anymore. But Juvia's Place was the most affordable one. So yeah, these are mostly high-end blushes, but they are gorgeous and they're worth it. But some of these, like if you have this blush trio, you don't really need a lot of these. It depends on what you're wearing, and you know, if you're willing to spend the extra money to get the different ones. But you can mix these colors together. You can get the Juvia's Place one. It's whatever you like. I love them all. I just wanted to show you guys my collection of pink blushes that I love. It's not all the pink blushes that I have, but it's the ones that I love. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and you will leave me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. Also, leave me a comment. Let me know if you like these blushes. What do you think about these pink blushes? What do you think about pink blushes and women of color, or pink blushes and dark skin? Let me know. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I know this was a quick one, but thank you so much for watching. Okay.